dear Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin, I feel happy and proud that you have invited me for this wonderful event. Thank you very much participating in this occasion. You have invited for this very good event. This is the land of the great leaders, Thiru Annadurai and Thiru Karunanidhi. I congratulate Stalin and Udayanidhi for implementing the vision and philosophy of Karunanidhi Garu. This is also the land of Kalvi Tantai Kamaras. Srimati Indira Gandhi adopted Kamaras plan. Kamaras contributed to make Tamil Nadu education model best in India. Today, we are celebrating important initiatives of your state government in the fields of education, nutrition, and sports. This event will inspire Tamil Nadu youth for excellence in education, sports, and career. These 4 schemes are excellent and entire India must try to follow. First scheme, CM Morning Breakfast Scheme. This is heart-touching scheme where the parents are laborer. They are going to work in the early morning. They could not feed their kids to send to school. The Tamil Nadu government is going to take care of those poorest of the poor students. This is very heart-touching scheme. I wanted to announce here in this dais, Telangana government is going to implement this scheme in next academic year. I am going to take this inspiration from here. My dear friend Stalin, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, I am going to implement this scheme in next academic year in Telangana. Second scheme, Non-Mudalavan skills development. Third scheme, rupees 10,000 scholarship per month for government school girls going to college. Fourth scheme, Tamil Pudalavan, rupees 1,000 per month scholarship for boys. I congratulate Thiru Stalin and all citizens of Tamil Nadu for these 4 schemes. You are very lucky. You are kind enough. One of the finest chief minister is there to take care of poorest of the poor of Tamils. I wanted to congratulate once again Mr. Stalin. Tamil and Telugu people have a strong cultural, historical bond for many centuries. In modern times, after 1991 liberalization, Tamil Nadu manufacturing growth and Telangana's IT and pharma boom made Indian economy grow. Hyderabad-Chennai corridor become a critical industrial and knowledge hub. Tamil Nadu and Telangana have similar policies on social justice. We have inspired by Mr. Karunanidhi. Now our local body elections is going to come. We wanted to implement 42% for OBC, 27% for SC and ST, put together 69% reservations for SC, ST and OBCs. We have inspired by Tamil Nadu, Mr. Karunanidhi. All Indians were inspired by Tamil Nadu education model. In independent India, Tamil Nadu, the first midday meal scheme for school children. It inspired other South Indian states like Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. We are implementing midday meal scheme, inspiration from Tamil Nadu. In Telangana, for my government, education is the biggest focus. As a Chief Minister, I also hold education portfolio because it is very important. I am holding education department, education portfolio as a Chief Minister. We have started Young India Skills University. I wanted to share something with my younger generation, my brothers and sisters. Every year, Telangana state producing 110,000 engineering graduates, but they are not getting any job. But market demand is there. There is a huge demand. There is a production as a engineering graduates, but there is a gap between demand and supply. They don't have skills. They don't have up to the mark. So that is why I have initiated a Young India Skills University in Telangana. I wanted to upgrade their skills. I wanted to improve their skills. With certificate, they are not going to any job. Without any skills, they are not going to success in their life. That is why Telangana government has initiated Young India Skills University. This is under public-private partnership. Telangana state government is having 12 universities, but we have failed to improve our skills. That is why I have discussed many corporate sector people. I have started public-private partnership university headed by Anand Mahindra group of companies. The person is our chairman for our skills university. Board of directors, Apollo Hospitals, Reddy Labs, Aurobindo Labs, all the corporate sector people are board of directors in my skills university. They have to decide curriculum. They have to select students. They have to give training for them. They have to give job them. So they are absorbing those students. So this first year we have taken 20,000 students in our skills university. 100% they have got job security from that skills university. And second thing, we have started Young India Sports University. I have seen most of them here, cricket player, tennis, other players. So, but unfortunately, last time Olympics we have not received single gold medal. Our population is 140 crores, whereas South Korea, hardly 4 or 5 crores population. They have got 32 gold medals. I visited one university, South Korean Sports University. That campus is only 30 acres of land. I have met those students. South Korean Sports University has got 16 gold medals in Olympics. And one girl have received, one girl has given bouquet to me. Just I was appreciating that girl, then I have asked what to do, what you are doing. Sir, archery, I have got 3 gold medals in Olympics, she said. I was surprised. One girl, she has got 3 gold medals in Olympics. Now tell me, what is our success story? After 78 years of democracy, we have not received 1 gold medal in Olympics. How come we are going to face chappan inchi chati, kya faida? What is the use of chappan inch chati? So that is why I have decided to start Young India Skills University, headed by Sanjay Goenka. Not only that, Abhinav Bindra, who is having medals, and Upasana Konadela, Mrs. Ram Charan, have taken in the board Kapil Dev, Abhinav Bindra, all this from cricket, football, volleyball. Indian former football captain is one of the board directors. And corporate people are there in our sports university. Not only sports university, we are going to start sports academy. I wanted to exchange our culture. I wanted to improve our friendship. So if Tamil Nadu government is going to recommend some students for coaching in my university, I am there to accommodate Tamil students in my sports academy, in my sports university. This is also under public-private partnership. Government is only facilitator. We are not going to take any decision. Board has to take decisions. Government is going to create a corpus fund 500 crores. to implement all those schemes. So, upfront I am offering to Tamil Nadu government, my friend, my brother Stalin, if you are going to recommend some your sports students, I am going to give admission in my sports university and sports academy. So Tamil Nadu and Telangana has take to responsibility to get gold medals in Olympics in 2028. Narendra Modi, Amit Shah is not doing that job. We will take up the job to get gold medals in Olympics. This is what our commitment for our country. Not only this, for 10 years, there is an education in SC, ST, OBC and minority separate residential schools. Now I have decided to put together in one roof. We don't want to divide SC separate, ST separate, OBC separate, minority separate. Put together 100 assembly constituencies. I have given 100 Young India integrated residential schools. Each school is going to admit 2,500 students from SC, ST, minority and OBC. They are going to study in one roof. I have given 25 acres of land and each school has allocated 200 crores. It is like a private corporate campus. So I wanted to improve education. Not only that, we have started advanced technology centers. You know, everyone knows that ITI, Industrial Training Institute. Telangana, Andhra Pradesh has started Industrial Training Institutes in 1956. They have decided in 1956 syllabus. Till late, they are getting same training in those ITS. They are giving diesel mechanic training on ambassador car. Otherwise, they are giving plumber training or they are giving electrician and other trainings in ITI. While they are taking that certificate, they are coming out, they are not finding any ambassador car. Nowadays, everyone is using Audi, BMW, Benz, EV cars, other cars. But you are giving in Industrial Training Institute, you are giving a diesel mechanic training. It's a waste of their time. So that is why I have decided. I have tapped with Tata. They are spending 2,100 crores. Out of 2,400 crores, I am giving 14%, 300 crores. They are spending 2,100 crores from their CSR fund. They are going to upgrade all ITIs as an advanced technology center. They are using AI, they are using robo, they are using everything to train these students. I am taking your inspiration. I am going to give these ATC students monthly scholarship every month, 2,000 from next academic year. I wanted to encourage these youngsters to train in skills. We recently launched a new education policy for upgrading government schools. In every government school in Telangana, will provide uniform, vehicle for picking up and dropping children like private schools. We wanted to start from nursery. Government schools are running first class above. But government schools are not giving admission in nursery, LKG and UKG. This nursery, LKG and UKG, these poorest of the people are going and joining in private school. After completion of 3 years, they are not coming back into the government school. That is why I have decided to give nursery, LKG, UKG education for poorest of the poor. Next academic year, we are going to implement that scheme also to attract these poorest of the poor. We wanted to give best education. For that, private schools, what is the success story of private school? I have 26,000 schools in Telangana, but I have only 18 lakh students in government schools. Whereas in private, we have 11,000 schools, but they have 33 lakh students in private school. What is the difference between private and government? Government is not focusing on the basic education, nursery and LKG, UKG. That is why I have decided to start nursery, LKG and UKG in my Telangana next academic year. Like Tamil Nadu, Telangana has many wonderful higher education institutions. We have IIT, IIIT, NALSAR, ISB, BITS Pilani. We are now trying to bring best global universities to Hyderabad. Next month I am going to meet Harvard and Stanford University management. to start off campuses in Telangana, Hyderabad. Even Tamil Nadu and Telangana is going to lay down a roadmap for the country. Best of the best universities, we have to invite them, we have to give. We have to create a knowledge hub in our states. We will take up this education issue to the ground. Also, like Tamil Nadu, Telangana also believes investment in education is not charity, but justice and fundamental right. This is not charity. This is investment for future generations. Entire India must learn from Tamil Nadu and Telangana models. Every Indian child must have a right to dream to become a global leader with free world-class government education. Our two states share a warm friendship. We know education is the best and only path to equality, social justice and progress. I again congratulate Thiru Stalin and all the citizens of Tamil Nadu. Together, we want to tell everyone in India, education is a movement, a revolution, a path for social justice and progress. Thank you.